When working with lookup functions, there are times you get error if what you're looking for cannot be found on the main table. So by default, Microsoft Excel will return the NA #NA error. So what if you don't want it to appear, the error to appear that way? You want to specify how your error should look like. There are functions you can use to do that. We have the IFERROR and the IFNA. So in this video, we'll be looking at how you can combine your VLOOKUP and your IFERROR together. Let's check it out together.
Alright guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how we can combine some logical functions such as IFERROR and IFNA with our lookup functions. So what are these logical functions, IFERROR and IFNA? These are functions that you can use to tell Excel to help you. If you don't want Excel to bring out the default error, you want to specify the kind of error or the way you want your error to appear. You use the IFERROR or the IFNA to do that. So let's look at this. Remember this, how we use the lookup function to get all these details. So let's try this out. Equal to, now I want to use this, I want to get the data for this product ID from the main table. So equal to VLOOKUP. Then selecting this is my lookup value, the first argument, comma. Then the table array, the main table, come here to highlight the main table. I'll lock it, comma, then my column index number. What is my column index number? Where price is on column 4, and I'll type in 4. Then comma, is it approximate match or exact match? It is exact one because the same product ID here is the same thing you are seeing here. So I'm going to just, then I'll hit enter. So I have this. So let me fill down and see. So you're seeing N here. Why are you seeing N here? Even if you're seeing N here, that's because these IDs don't exist on the main table, because this is P004, P006, whereas it is P004 and P006. So the reason why I returned this error is because it was unable to use these IDs to look up for values, because why these IDs you are seeing here are not here. So in a situation whereby you don't want to this way, now you know that, oh, this is supposed to be P004. So if I change this to P004, I get the value for it, P006. I get value. So what if we have maybe P0011, we have P0012. Let me just P011, P0012. We have NA, and that's because they are not here. You can't find them here. We have from P001 to P010, so we don't have these two. So in a situation whereby we don't have this product on the main table, so if you are sending this result to your boss and they're saying NA, using this NA, it's an error in Excel. It can make your boss doubt your work, doubt what you've done, can even doubt the whole thing you've done, whereas those products are not just available on the main table. So how do you fix this? So how do you tell Excel that instead of showing the default error NA, show not available instead? So what do I use to do that? I'll use the function called IFERROR to do that. I'm just going to come in here, then put in equal to IFERROR. You can see it here. You can see it returns value IFERROR if expression is an error and the value of the expression itself otherwise. So I would double click on this. So the first argument is the value. The value in this case is going to be all function for the VLOOKUP, all the function, the VLOOKUP formula, everything. So I'm just going to, let me first delete this. Then I'll come here and copy all this. Copy from VLOOKUP into C. Then I'll come here. I'll say equal to IFERROR. The first argument is the value, so I'll just paste the VLOOKUP formula I just typed in here. Now you're saying IFERROR. After looking up for the price for the product IDs, if you can't find it, what should you show? Instead of showing error, the default error of Excel, what should you show? Value if error, show not available. Not available. Can you see this? Now I'll close my parenthesis and I'll hit enter. So let me fill down. So you can see, instead of showing the default error in Excel, it's showing not available. So with if error, you can specify how you want your error to appear or look like in your picture. So if you're sending this to your boss now, it's not going to cause any confusion or cause them to doubt your work, because why? They know that this product are not available. That's why you can't find them there. But if you are saying this and they're saying NA, they know this NA, this hash NA is the error, a default error in Excel. They start doubting if you've really done the correct thing or you've inputted the correct formula. So another one you can use is if NA. So for if error, you can use if error for any type of, to change any type of error in Excel. So what about NA? If NA, you use if NA to change the appearance of any NA error. So doing the same thing, equal to if NA. Then the first argument is the value itself. So I'll just paste that VLOOKUP function formula inputted here, then comma. So what else? Value if NA. The value if NA, I wanted to show not available also. Anytime you see this, it means you've not closed the parenthesis, so you can just say click on yes for Excel to help you do that. Yes. Then you can see this. So let me fill down. Can you see we have the same value? So we use if error here and we use if NA here. So in a situation whereby your different errors are showing NA, hash NA, you can use if NA. So if error can be used for any type of errors, any type. You can use if error to make those errors appear the way you want them to. So that's how you do that. That's how you connect. You use your if error and your if NA to change the appearance of your error. So please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I hope you've been able to get one or two from today's video. Alright, bye.